Let's take a look at the ELAMOR M19 Intelligent Door Lock, a keyless electronic door lock which is also waterproof. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. There's an installation guide, a quick setup guide, the keys for the lock and installation hardware, and the door lock itself. Installation is simple. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver if you have an existing deadbolt installation. You'll need to start off by removing your existing door lock. This lock system has an adaptive left and right door design, so you can install it without running into issues with the door directions and so forth. Now the new deadbolt needs to be placed in. At this point, the keypad portion of the lock needs to be placed in, with the wire being ran underneath the deadbolt. The metal plate gets installed next, with the wire or cable being ran through the square opening. The cable can now be connected to the other end of the lock system. And then this end gets screwed onto the metal plate. Once everything is installed, 4 AA batteries will need to be placed inside the battery compartment. One thing to note, this lock does not come with any batteries, so you'll need to purchase 4 AA batteries separately. Once the batteries are installed, the door lock will need to be tested. The default unlock code is 123456, followed by the unlock button. If the deadbolt unlocks and locks fine, it will blink green, letting you know it's successful. However, if it blinks red, it means there's an obstruction or the deadbolt is not installed correctly, so it is unable to lock in place. The numbers also light up, so you won't have any issues seeing them in the dark. The lock will automatically lock once opened after about 10 seconds. You can adjust the time between 3 to 30 seconds for the relock by going through the installation guide. Now in the case that the batteries run out, there are the physical keys you can use to unlock and gain entry, so you don't have to worry about being locked out if the batteries don't work. There's also a Wi-Fi version of this lock, which works with the Smart app to be able to unlock and lock it with your smartphone. However, this one that I have is the basic version, which doesn't have Wi-Fi. Another feature of this lock is that it's IP54 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about any rain damaging the unit. This keyless entry lock would come in handy for allowing friends or family, as well as anyone else you need to grant access to be able to gain entry without a key or without you physically being there to unlock the door. It does also have an alarm function, which should automatically lock the system in 90 seconds after more than 5 invalid lock entries have been entered. Overall, it's a convenient door lock with easy installation. I'll place links in the description for anyone who's interested in the ELAMOR M19 Intelligent Door Lock, and I'll see you in the next video.